feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
A loose light bulb causes a humming sound because its electrical connection isn't secure. This allows tiny currents to jump and vibrate inside the socket, creating the buzz you hear. Tightening the bulb stops this vibration, making the noise disappear and keeping your light working smoothly. Remember to make bulbs snug, but not too tight for safety and silence.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.